Hey tubers, me again. Hey, got this Stihl Sierra Hotel. I think it's an 86, might be an 84, I don't know. I don't keep up on all those numbers like some people do. But anyways, it just came in, new customer, and the problem is that it is really hard to start. And she also said that sometimes when they're trying to start it, that it backs off the shredder. The shredder comes right off. You can see that it's a little bit loose on there. So I'm not sure. I need to find out what's going on underneath the here. But anyways, here's the first thing on the hard start is I went and I pulled out the spark arrestor. I'm going to turn around and give you a little bit better light. You can see there's a little bit of glistening right there on the end. There's gasoline out of there. I pulled the plug. I pulled it over a couple of times. I could smell the gas. I'll put a link to another video as to what I think is going on here, but you can't really see it. But what I'm going to do is, like right now, like I suspect that the problem is going to be the metering diaphragm down here in the carburetor, and that's causing all the problems. So when they're trying to pull it, it's starting to do hydrolock because there's so much fuel down inside the crankcase, and when the liquid goes up here, it can't compress the liquid. So what happens is they get a full pull on it, and then this thing backs up. And for whatever reason, when it backs up, it's loosening that nut. So I'm going to go through this thing. Probably I'm going to pull this. I'll pull the blower wheel, make sure that that's actually lined up the way that it's supposed to do. And for sure, we're going to change out that metering diaphragm. But there's a symptom. Oh yeah, and so just for giggles, let's take and flip this bad boy upside down. Let me try to get this set up. We're going to flip this bad boy upside down with the spark plug out. See if I can find a place that you'll be able to see. And yeah, something like that. We're just gonna look for fuel or a wet spot to come out of, like where the spark plug is. Let me see if you guys can see this. We're doing this together. I have not already done this. Okay, down there the spark plug, and then down on the ground. We're down on the base of the table. So let's see what we got. If I don't blow off the camera. Here we go. I can smell it. Yeah, and I can see it. So yeah, that's where it is. It's down here on my finger. Maybe you can see that. There's fuel coming out of there. Okay, that's the triage, and that's what we're gonna do to cure it. We're gonna go into that carb, square away that metering diaphragm, slap it back together, and see what happens. So we'll be back in a few. That's it. We're done. We're out.